Why humans fear freedom? Humans often say they want freedom. They want freedom to choose, to change, to live differently. But history and psychology reveal something strange. People are often terrified of freedom because freedom does not just create possibilities, but it also creates uncertainty. And human brains it hates uncertainty. The human brain evolved for survival, not transformation. Thousands of years ago, uncertainty could mean danger. So the brain learned to prefer predictable environments, familiar systems, and stable patterns. That's why humans often choose familiar discomfort over unfamiliar freedom, even when they are unhappy. People stay in toxic relationships, jobs they hate, routine that mentally exhaust them. Not always because they enjoy suffering, but because uncertainty feels psychologically heavier. And history reflects the same pattern. Many societies tolerated authoritarian rule for years, not necessarily because people loved control, but because control can create the illusion of stability. Democracy, on another hand, is psychologically different. It is noisy, slow, and uncertain, which makes it more difficult. People disagree constantly, but maybe that uncertainty is the price of freedom. Sometimes people do not fear oppression, they fear chaos more. And modern life is not very different. Algorithms tell people what to watch. Society tell people what success looks like. Systems make decision easier. And slowly humans stop thinking independently. It requires responsibility, independent thinking, risk, and uncertainty to be able to have real freedom, which is exhausting. And many people unconsciously avoid that pressure. Maybe that's why growth feels uncomfortable, because growth begins where certainty ends. And maybe the real challenge is not gaining freedom but becoming psychology capable of handling it. Because sometimes staying the same feels safer even when it slowly destroys us. Humans does not just fear suffering, they fear the uncertainty that comes with the change.